Unit 6, Reading. The world's most expensive burger.
Many chefs today use science to help them create new and exciting recipes. Recently, a top chef cooked a very special beef burger in London, and there were pictures and stories in the newspapers about it. But the meal wasn't for a restaurant or cookery book. It was an example of how to solve a growing problem. And the beef in the burger wasn't from a cow. It was from a science laboratory. The world's population is growing fast, and by 2060 it will be about 9.5 billion. There is a lot of concern about food. How are we going to provide enough food for everyone? Most people want to have meat in their diet, but if we continue to eat as much meat as we do now, this will definitely be a big problem, because it will have an impact on the environment. Firstly, keeping the number of animals that we'll need will increase pollution enormously. It will produce about 50% of the amount of pollution that comes from all the planes, cars, and other forms of transport. This is because cows produce many different types of gas that are bad for our atmosphere, like methane and ammonia. These cause global warming and acid rain. And secondly, we won't have enough space or water for all the animals, certainly not enough to give them a good quality of life, which is important. Obviously, the easiest answer might be for people to eat less or stop eating meat. Unfortunately, this is probably not going to happen. Most people want to have meat in their diet. Experts say that this is because meat was originally very important in early human development. The calories in cooked meat helped us grow bigger brains. So the attraction of meat is still part of our nature. This means that we will need to find another way to solve the problem. This is why the beef burger created in London was so important. Scientists today are trying to grow artificial meat in laboratories. They are aiming to produce a food that tastes exactly like beef, lamb, or chicken, and the beef burger was their first finished product. However, there is still a lot of work to do. The person who ate the burger thought it was quite dry and not very tasty. Also, it cost €250,000. Let's hope the price goes down a lot more before they go on sale at the supermarket.